Welcome back to Ecom Talk. In our previous video, we covered the basics of e-commerce. We talked about benefits of e-commerce, types of e-commerce, how e-commerce works, the impact and future of e-commerce, among other things. In our video today, we're going to cover how to start an e-commerce business. So let's jump right into it. Now, how do you start an e-commerce business? There are 5 main steps that you need to follow when setting up an e-commerce business. These are finding your niche, creating a business plan, building your online store, marketing and launch, and scaling and growing. In this video, we're going to take an in-depth look into every one of these steps here to help you start and manage your e-commerce business. So, what is the first step? Finding your niche. And how do you do this? Or what is the secret to a successful e-commerce business? Now, you have to find the perfect thing that you can do, the perfect kind of business that you want to run, that you enjoy doing. But how do you achieve this? Or how do you do it? The first thing, or the first step to finding your niche is doing research. In-depth research into the market, the kind of people you want to be selling to, the kind of product you want to sell. Do you have an interest in it? Are you going to be able to hold it for long? Research will help you understand the kind of business you want to do and will also make the journey smoother. The second step is market demand. Identify market demand. What are the people looking for? Use research tools like Google Trends and keyword research tools, some of which are free and can be accessed by anyone. The third step to finding your niche is competition. Now, who are the big players in your field or niche? What are they doing? You need to learn from them. And how can you stand out? How can you beat the competition? Analyze your competitors' businesses, their marketing strategies, find a loophole, create your own unique selling point. Don't cheat your way up. It costs you at some point. The second step is business plan. With your niche all set, with all the research and everything that you want to do well compiled up, you need to create a business plan. Now, how do you do this? Let's look right into what you need to do to create a business plan. What should you be thinking about when the words business plan comes to your mind? The first thing is the business model. There are different types of business models. We have dropshipping, we have private label, we have handmade products and services. This help shape your plan once you decide the kind of business you want to do. The second one is the business name and branding. You need a good name for your business, something strong, simple, and easy to memorize. And it should also be unique and also identify with the kind of product that you're selling. The third thing is remember the legal stuff. Now, this is not a very interesting part, but you're going to need to try and do this. Register your business, do taxes, do trademarks to avoid future problems. Once you're done with the business plan, now it is the interesting part. Start building your online store. How do you do this? Building your online store is one of the most interesting things. So let's look at this. The first important thing when you're building your online store is choosing a hosting platform. Select the right platform for your store. In this case, again, you need to do a bit of research or extensive if necessary. What is the next thing after choosing a platform? Buy a domain. A domain is like an address that represents your website on maybe online or on the internet. So that's how somebody can find your domain, your business. So once you've bought a domain, you should be thinking about design and layout. Design your store with a user-friendly layout, something that users are going to enjoy visiting or using. Once you're done with the design, think about product listing. If you are going the e-commerce way, create a compelling product listings that have high quality images, clear and detailed descriptions so you don't confuse your buyers or customers. The last thing is setting up payments. If you are doing an e-commerce business or a service business that will require you to get payment, then you need to think about payments. What type of payments can you set up? You have PayPal, Skrill, Shopify, Shopify Pay, card payments, and cash on delivery. There are quite a number of other options that are not listed here. Now you need to do in-depth research for the kind of payment gateway or platform that you're going to apply for your business, depending on your location and the type of business that you are doing. Once you're done with building your online store, now you need to market and launch it. Let's say you had a shop in some hidden place and you have a stock. It is very unlikely that people will get to know that you have the products without you marketing or showing them, or maybe just through word of mouth telling them that you have products. Now this is why marketing is important. You can have a good product but people are not aware about it. You need to set up a marketing. Now how do you do this? Leverage social media to create a buzz. The first thing is you need to think about social platforms, which are free marketing tools. before you think about the paying for advertisement. So you have Facebook, Instagram, X, TikTok, and Pinterest, among other social platforms. If you share your products and create a community in these social platforms, you are at a high chance of getting sales or getting clients or customers for your business or services. The second thing is email marketing. Build an email list of interested customers. This is a powerful tool that can help you nurture leads and convert them into customers. You create customer journey, something that we'll cover later in these tutorials. Now, email marketing helps you update your customers about promotions, discounts, and just marketing, or maybe communicate with them about their needs. If you are someone who's doing an e-commerce business, setting up an email marketing strategy can help you build a community of long-lasting customers. Once you're done with email listing, think about launching strategy. Create an excitement with promotions and discounts. You can create that business, have socials, but it depends on how big you go with it, with the promotions and discounts. This will help you have people get to understand, create a buzz, pay influencers, try to have something attractive that will make people get into that business or get interested in your business. The next thing after marketing and launch is scaling and growing. We all have a dream of taking our businesses to the next level. So how do you scale and grow your business? You need to analyze and optimize. So regularly analyze your performance and make necessary adjustments. Think about what's working, what's not, what should you change, what should you not change. Look at your competitors, what are they doing better than you at that point, and try to make changes. If you have to increase your marketing strategy, marketing budget, if you have to use influencers, if you have to try more social media engagement or content that relate to your customers, analyze and optimize. That will help you increase your sales. The second thing is expand. Consider expanding your product line or entering new markets. If you initially started with a specific item or maybe a certain quantity of items, you should consider expanding. Now this will depend on how fast your business grows, because you cannot expand if you still don't have sales. If your business grows, expand and cover more markets or cover more products to increase your profitability. After expanding, you should think about customer experience. Customer experience is one of the most important things when you are running any kind of business, because the customers are typically the most important part of your business. So how do you improve customer experience? Apart from building a customer maybe friendly website, you need to think about trying to get to understand your customers. Use polls, surveys, on-site and off-site. Ask social media users opinions on your website. You can run Google form queries. You can try poll websites. You can try surveys on your own website if your model supports that. And this will help you understand customer experience. Communicate in time about any changes to your website, prices, attend to customer needs in time, and this will help you have a good, let's say, review score in terms of customer experience or maybe user experience overall for your website. Every big empire started with a single step. Now it's your turn to shine. In our next video, we're going to cover choosing an e-commerce platform. We're going to help you decide the kind of e-commerce platform that best suits your need. To watch that video, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification so you get notified whenever that video is uploaded.